Hello everyone, today we will discuss about other concentration terms. So first concentration terms we will take is strength. Actually, what is this strength? It is represented by capital S, and this strength is mass of solute in gram upon volume of solution in liter. It is almost similar to molarity, where we were taking moles of solute upon volume of solution, but in strength we are taking mass of solute. So just make this very clear, difference between strength and molarity. Okay, its unit will be, if we are taking mass here, so obviously it will be gram per liter. Okay, next is mole fraction. This mole fraction is very important because mole fraction is expressed for individual component of the solution. It means it is expressed for solute as well as for solvent. Okay, so mole fraction is represented by capital X if you are taking for A solvent, or you can say for solute it is XA. If you are taking for B component, that will be XB for solvent. Now see, this mole fraction is actually equals to the contribution by individual component upon sum total of both the components. So you can also say that number of moles of solute to the moles of solute plus moles of solvent means total solution. You can also express in symbolic form like N means number of solute, that number of moles, Na upon Na plus Nb total. Coming to XB, that is mole fraction for solvent, that will be same number of moles of solvent, because here we are taking mole fraction of solvent, to the total moles of the solution, that is moles of solute plus moles of solvent, can be represented as Nb upon Na plus Nb. This is very important that this mole fraction is actually unitless concentration term, and the overall value of X will always be equal to 1. It means X will be equal to XA plus XB. So whatever the value of XA and XB are coming from solving the numerical, the final value will be equal to 1 only if you add both. And also if you want to calculate XA, provided only XB is given, so you can also write down that XA will also be equal to XB minus, 1 minus XB. You can write in this way also for individuals. Next comes another concentration term, that is percentage by weight or volume. So we have two dimension for this. First is percentage by weight and second is percentage by volume. So first we will take percentage by weight. It is in this we have to just take out the concentration in terms of weight, and in percentage by volume we have to take concentration in terms of volume. So here simply it will be weight of solute upon weight of solution. Since it is a percentage, means multiplied by 100. Percentage by volume, volume of solute upon volume of solution, percentage, so we will multiply 100 over here. Okay, now next comes, which is very confusing among most of the student, that is parts per million. That is also called as ppm, small p and small m. Okay, so this ppm is equals to weight of solute, because it is concentration term only, so weight of solute represented in gram and weight of solution also represented in gram, into 10 to the power 6. This 10 to the power 6 is actually a significant scientific notation. It is like this: 1 2, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 zeros, that is 10 to the power 6. This is parts per million. I hope you understood these concentration terms and do revise them. These are very important. Thank you.